This month, I got paid $3,254 from one view on YouTube. I also got paid $100 for another view, and I also made 7 cents from a third view. And this video is going to explain how I made each of those amounts of money. So starting with the 7 cents, I earned that by getting a really high RPM this month of $67.60 on a single video. If you don't know what RPM is, it's how much YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views you get. And on this video in particular this month, YouTube paid me an RPM of $67.60, which means for every single view I was getting around 7 cents. Seeing as YouTubers only normally get paid around 0.3, 0.4 of a cent per view from YouTube, 7 cents per view is pretty decent, and it just goes to show you how much you can be earning on the higher end of YouTube payments. So moving on to how I made $100 from one view, that was on a separate video, which you'll be seeing on screen right now. I put this video out a little while ago when I just signed up to a boot camp for YouTubers. And the video was basically a review talking about how I was finding that training. And in the description to the video, I gave anyone watching the video a chance to sign up to that bootcamp themselves by following the link. And basically every time someone signs up to that bootcamp by using my coupon code that I put in the description to that video too, I'm paid $100. I've made $300 of commissions from that video in the last month, and those three $100 payments are all the result of the right person coming along and watching that video one time. Being able to make that sort of money from single views on YouTube just shows how great things can get for YouTubers when they start to explore different income streams and treat their channel like a business as well as a hobby. If you want to learn more about income opportunities that exist for your channel, how to run your channel like a business, I put out a newsletter every 2 weeks for free, which teaches you just that. You can sign up to that if you want to by clicking the link to it. I'll put it below in the text description area to this video. And that brings us on to how I made $3,254 from a single view on YouTube this month. Here's how I did it. I put out a video earlier in the month saying that I want to teach one-on-one at least 10 YouTubers this year to help them transform their channel and become full-time YouTubers. One person in particular watched that video this month, reached out to me and told me they were interested in coaching from me, and we ended up settling on a 12-week, £2,500 coaching program. And that's how I made $3,254 from a single view. The money I make on YouTube exploded when I stepped away from YouTube AdSense and started exploring different ways of making money. And hopefully this is just a little insight into how you can become a full-time YouTuber with far fewer views than you'd expect. I became a full-time YouTuber with just 13,000 subscribers. This video tells you exactly what I did back then as a small-time creator to go full-time at 30,000 subscribers, so make sure to watch that next. And remember to subscribe to learn more about becoming a full-time YouTuber from my experiences now that I am a full-time YouTuber myself.